Hey guys, here we are back now. Number question 8. Again, this is 2017 or 18. Let me have a look. 2018. And okay, so this is 2018. Sully's back garden is in the shape of a rectangle ABC as shown in the scales diagram. In the diagram, 1 centimeter represents 1 meter. AD is the back wall. Where's AD? Oh yeah. So AD is the back wall of the house. So here's the house, and here's the back wall. Okay, and there must be a door from the house into the garden here. There's a tree. There is a tree T near the end of the garden, so where T is. So Sully wants to put up a bird table in the garden. The table has to be at least 3 meters from the house and at least 4 meters from the tree. Using your ruler and compass, draw and shade in the region of the garden where the bird table could be placed. Okay, so it has to be, this bird table has to be 3 meters from the house and at least 4 meters from the tree. So, okay, 3 meters from the house. So in the diagram, 1 centimeter represents 1 meter. Okay, now I'm not sure about this ruler I have on screen here, but I'm going to take it that I'm going to measure out 3 on it, okay? So it has to be 3 meters from the house. So we need to go from the house. So I'm going, you should get your ruler when doing this, okay? And measure 3 centimeters from the back wall of the house. 1, 2, 3, so that looks about, so I'm going to mark there. Okay, and down here. One, 2, 3. So there. And I'm just going to join those lines. This is an easy one to, this is the easy enough, this bit. Let's get my ruler. Join the 2 marks that I made. Okay. Okay, so the bird table cannot be in this area. Okay, it cannot be in that area because that's 3 meters. It's within 3 meters of the house, so it can't be there. Now, what's the other thing? It has to be 4 meters away from the tree. So we need to get our compass and put the point here of the compass, and then using a ruler, mark out what 4 centimeters is. Okay, because and then you basically draw a circle. Now I can't draw a circle here on this, so we'll just have to, pretend that that was 4 centimeters. Okay, but in reality it's 4 meters, and from here to here was 3. So the bird table can go anywhere in here, basically. Anywhere at all in here. It'll be at least 4 meters away from the tree and at least 3 meters away from the house. Okay, I hope that makes sense. Now, part B. A square board with a circular disc is shown on the diagram board. The square has a side. Now listen, we've had this plenty before. I've often said to you, I don't even have to look at the questions to know what they're going to be asking here. At some stage, we'll need to get the area of the square, the area of the circle, and then subtract both. I'm just assuming that's what. So the first bit is, I'm just looking at the first bit now to get the area of the square. Area of a square is area is equal to length multiplied by width. So it's a square, so it's 20 by 20, which is 400 centimeters squared. Find the area of the disk, as I said. Okay, so let's to get the area of any circle, you need to know what the radius is. So we know the diameter. The diameter is 20. So if the diameter is 20, the radius is half of that, which is 10. Okay. So the area of the disk or circle, it's pi r squared. pi 3.14. They don't tell us what to take it, so just take it as 3.14. Radius squared is that. So when you use your calculator, multiply out that, you get 314 centimeters squared. Write the area of the disk as a percentage of the total area of the square. So to write anything as a percentage, you're going to have to multiply some fraction by 100. So the area of the disk, which is 314, that goes on top, as a percentage of the total area of the square, which was 400. Okay, and then on your calculator, you work that out. 314 over 400 multiplied by 100. And that gives us 78.5%. Okay, and we're done. I want you to do for tomorrow. Let me check here. I think there's 2 more questions on that paper. So will you do questions 2018? I think this will be the last 2 questions. So that was question 7 and 8. So I want you to do question. So homework question 9 and 10, 2018. Okay, for tomorrow. Thank you.